Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Deborah Hudson with Smooth Moves by Design, and I'm the founder and creator of this new trend in moving, which is completely 100% stress-free if you choose that. We're based out of Dallas, Texas, but of course we go nationwide. So today we're going to dive into the world of luxury moving trends. Are you hip to the new trend in moving? Moving is daunting. Nobody has time to add moving to their busy schedules with their family and work, taking care of everything else. Nobody has time to add moving to that. So we're giving you back your time and your sanity. This approach of moving is something that I thought about and have been implementing, and we are able to help so many couples and families, whether it's an elder move for your aging parents or a personal move. It's personalized, stress-free moves completely done for you, and you will never see one box. Imagine? No, you can't. Whether you're relocating to a new city or just moving across town, the process can be complex and overwhelming, and especially when you're dealing with high-end items and beautiful furnishings. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're exploring the latest trends in luxury moving for 2024, helping you stay ahead of the curve and ensure your move is as seamless and stress-free as possible. Most moves are harrowing. From concierge moving services to sustainable practices, advanced technology, and beyond, we'll discuss how these trends are transforming the luxury moving industry. Whether you're a homeowner preparing for a big move or an executive assistant looking to elevate services, these insights will help you understand what it takes to execute a flawless relocation. So let's get started. First up, we'll talk about personalized luxury moving services are setting new standards for luxury relocations. Concierge Moving Services offers personalized packing services for different types of items. No custom furniture, high quality things. So we use the very best paper and enough of it to secure wine glasses or any items. It's all in the packing, and actually the packing professionals that know exactly what to do. These concierge moving companies have detailed attention to every step of packing and unpacking. That ensures a hassle-free experience. Then there are those talented interior design services, ranging furniture and belongings in the new home according to the client's preferences. You know, coming from an interior design point of view is going to be much different than if you're there just with the movers. This is one of the brand new services that can be offered, and in our company, Smooth Moves by Design, the team always has an interior designer heading every job, placing furnishings in like the most beautiful way. You know, it's amazing. They know what to do. So the difference between a mover putting your furniture where you tell them to and an interior designer placing your furniture and decorating bookshelves is very different. They just are experienced. An interior designer knows exactly how to make it look like magazine quality. We've worked on it for many years. Sustainability and eco-friendly practices of new moving trends, they would be like packing materials. Using recyclable and biodegradable packing materials is best. We don't like bubble wrap, and we don't use it because it's not biodegradable. Number 2, recycling and disposing of items for landfill services. Our companies are environmentally responsible in the disposing of unwanted items and packing materials in appropriate places for composting and recycling. Number 3 would be plastic crates used instead of boxes and paper to pack your home's items. I love these crates. They stack so well if we pack them up for several days before the actual move. They look so neat and orderly. I really like packing crates. Number 4, virtual consultations. We offer virtual home surveys and consultations to plan the move efficiently. We can FaceTime you through your home and look at videos for convenience if you happen to be in another state or you're traveling. That's no problem whatsoever. We do this all the time on FaceTime, looking throughout your house. So that makes it very easy. Number 4 is real-time tracking, providing clients with the ability to track their shipments in real time through an app or a web portal. You know, if your move is going cross-country or across several states, you can see the shipment in real time, ensuring you know exactly where the truck is and your goods are, which gives you that absolute confidence in timing and logistics that nobody's going to run off with your goodies. Number 5, digital inventories. This is a new thing. I love this feature because sometimes you need to have items in storage, and having a highly professional moving company with their excellent storage, you will have your own personal portal and you can look up every box that's in your storage. Each box is inventoried and numbered, and you can ask for certain boxes to be brought down, and you can have them delivered to your home should you need something, like maybe the Christmas tree or the baby crib. Whatever you might need, it's very easy to just get on your computer, make this request using the technology to catalog and manage your inventory. So high-end companies are definitely using this to help clients' possessions be digitally so easy, you know? It's really a great idea, these newfangled ideas in moving, and I'm just going to keep going and let you know. 6 is specialized handling of high-value items. We offer custom crate building and to take care of your very delicate items, whether it's art or sculptures or anything that you deem irreplaceable. Crates can be built specifically for each individual piece, no problem. There's also climate control transport. Specialized companies offer vehicles with climate controlled for items like wine or super special antiques. Number 7, we do chandelier installations. We employ experts that install these valuable items, art, tapestry. We hang chandeliers or very custom furniture at your new location. Number 8, relocation concierge services. We can connect you with utility connections, setting up electronics. We also have AV teams that allow you to have speakers, adding those in the ceiling throughout your house. You can have TVs mounted with sound bars, of course. There are many things smart homes do these days, where they just have one universal closet for the entire house. But that's something you have to have done as you are building your home. That's not something that we can add in, but we can do as much as we can with AV. Number 9 is interior design consultations. Providing access to interior designers, we can help our clients in personalizing the new home. We buy art, rugs, custom draperies, swivel chairs, counter stools, any furniture items that you need can be purchased through our interior design connections. And number 10 is a nice one. It's just local connections. We love to introduce clients that are new to the city, local services and amenities, churches, maybe even some exclusive clubs, schools, and health services. Number 11 is real estate assistance. Ooh, we're good at this. We help clients find and secure high-end properties in the city they choose. We know all the best high-end realtors here in Dallas for sure, but they also have affiliations with people in many other cities that we move to. So number 12 is discreet and secure moves, confidentiality agreements. No problem. We have NDAs ensuring all staff members sign confidentiality agreements to protect client privacy. We have background checking for our employees and staff. Everybody's gone through background checks, so you never have to worry about odd people coming into your house, because that's not what a luxury move is. That's what a cheap move is, and they use people that they've never met and don't know them, and they just use them as bodies. So we don't suggest that at all. Number 13 is health and wellness focus. You know, we sanitize all the trucks. Every piece of equipment is regularly cleaned. The trucks are cleaned after every move. And then they're totally cleaned, 100% outside and inside, once a week. So health protocols or safety protocols such as wearing masks and gloves, you know, just to ensure social distancing, surely during your move. If you request that, if you have a compromised system, please just ask us. Wellness checks for our staff. Our companies conduct regular checks for moving staff to ensure that they are fit to work. We have thermometers that we use, and everyone, just because COVID can be caught so easily, we don't want anyone to get sick, whether it's our staff or clients or anyone. So we definitely take care of that wonderfully well. We're a low-end mover. Would never think of that. So you can see that there are many protocols to luxury moves, and while you don't want to use any kind of mover that is not considered a luxury moving company with complete full services, it's easy for a company to write on Google saying they are fabulous, they're the best, they're luxury, but that doesn't mean that it's true, because high-end movers, they're not going to give you those cheap prices, because they treat your things with such dignity. And you know, you want great reviews and a lot of referrals, and I can give you from my company a referral sheet about design work or moves with just a touch of a button through email. So please contact me with any questions that you have about your upcoming move. Whether it's 9 days or 9 months, we can help you explain how to have a stress-free move that you will be so glad that you never forget it, because it's going to be so easy and so beautifully done. Click the link below. Follow for more tips and ideas about how to move with the stress-free luxury move. Thank you.